Good morning, happy Thursday. Yesterday I started vlogging in the morning, but it was one of those days where I just felt like a zombie getting up at 4 in the morning and I kept hitting snooze. Then I literally came home, made dinner, and then fell asleep at 6 p.m. and then woke up at 10:30 in the morning. I think I did the math and I slept for like 16 and a half hours. I don't think I've ever slept that long before in my life. It was actually insane. I guess I needed it, so we'll take it. Today I am getting ready right now because we are going to go in the city. There's a few errands that I want to run. Honestly, I don't even know why I just called them errands. It's literally shopping. I literally just need to go shopping for a few things. We have an event not this weekend but next weekend, and I'm going to be very busy all week of next week, so I don't really think I'm going to have time to go and get everything. So I'm trying to do it before this weekend's over so that I can just get it all done and next week I don't have to worry about it. So that is my goal, and obviously if we're going shopping in Amsterdam, I'm going to be bringing you guys with me. I've actually really been loving these Kiko Milano lip glosses. I have the pink one in my purse. We're ready. We're going no makeup. Let's go get some shopping done. My goal is to find a pair of black jeans. I don't have a single pair of black jeans right now, and I have so many outfits and I'm like, oh, this would look so good with black jeans. So that's my one piece of clothing that I'm trying to find. I think I literally found them and they're perfect. Good morning, happy Saturday. I feel like I'm getting sick. We're taking a ginger shot and I'm about to do a little quick ab workout before I have to get ready to go to work. So that's my little piece of health and wellness for the day. This one it's the same shot that we took last vlog. I think I'm just gonna do the quick 8-minute Daisy Keach ab workout. I don't have much time, so we're doing what we can make work. I just brushed my teeth. Actually, the orange juice is not good with the fresh mint. I just made like a little yoga mat with a towel on top, just like a little quick setup so I can find productivity in the little moments. I wanted to prioritize sleep a little bit this morning just to make sure I'm not gonna get sick because we have a busy week ahead of us next week, so I want to be like fully ready to go. Let's get a quick workout in. I just finished working out, made a little bit of avocado toast. Now I'm gonna eat this and get ready as quick as I can. Hi guys, happy Monday. It's been a few days since I vlogged, but I'm making dinner right now and I'm also just putting some eye masks on while I'm cooking to do a little bit of self-care at the same time. I'm making some soup right now, and then I'm also making some like toasted bread with high protein cream cheese and avocado. I am also doing my nails right now. I spent the morning just like deep cleaning the apartment. I also did a huge deep clean last night, so I'm feeling so good that everything is clean and fresh. I just did like an everything shower and then redid my toenail polish, and then I'm gonna redo my nails today. My nails are starting to like chip, so I got French tip extensions and I'm gonna do like a very old school French tip, not like a dainty almond French tip, like a square, like a French tip, if you know what I mean. That's my plan for today. I have to shoot some clothes for a brand deal tomorrow. I also work tomorrow, and then we're going out for like a pre-party for this weekend. Is like ADE Amsterdam dance event, and we're going to some events for that. This week is gonna be very busy, but I'm gonna love it. Like, it's gonna be so much fun having a bunch of things to do. So I'm just kind of taking today, Monday, to like prepare for everything. I just finished doing some square French tips. I wanted to do it for the nostalgia. I love them. Feels so good to have like a fresh set on. Good morning, happy Tuesday. We have quite a busy day ahead of us. I have to shoot 2 outfits for a brand today. Then I'm going to go to work for a few hours, and then we have like a pre-party for this weekend's ADE event. Quite a pack-filled day because I also have to manage fitting and editing and all of that. But I wanted to show you guys the outfits that we're shooting for today. It is also pouring down rain, which is not good for a shoot day. These are the outfits that we're shooting. We have this long red white lace dress, and then this as a set. I have the shorts over on the couch, but I need to steam both of the outfits first. This is just like a plaid set. It's gorgeous. Here are the matching shorts that go with the plaid set. They're so cute. I'm excited though. I feel so grateful that I'm able to like go and shoot a brand. Let's go get this done today. I just steamed both of the outfits. The fabric is amazing. I don't know if I've told you guys yet, but I'm shooting for Rehoas today. You guys have to check out their website. They have the cutest stuff. It was so difficult to pick between what outfits and dresses that I wanted to shoot with. I'm gonna do my hair and my makeup, and then I'm thinking in the next like hour we're gonna head out to go shoot these pieces. I just did my hair and makeup. I just did like big loose curls because it's raining and I have a feeling they're gonna fall anyway. But I'm putting on the outfits right now just to pick what shoes I want to wear, and look at how cute this is. It has like the cutest little back. I feel like it's perfect for fall. Love. Okay, I'm gonna try on the dress now. You guys. But this dress, it is absolutely stunning. Like the way that the shoulders just pop out and it's so fitted. There's ties in the back here, so you can like cinch your waist in to match your body. I'm wearing an extra small in both outfits. I cannot wait to go and shoot in this. Are you kidding? I also need to put jewelry on. Happy Thursday. I am just making some breakfast right now. I tried to push myself this morning to make a breakfast that I wouldn't normally think of. So I'm making protein matcha pancakes. We'll see how it is. I was either going to make an omelet or a like breakfast burrito. And then I was trying to like shake myself out of my comfort zone because I've been really wanting to like cook and bake more. I was like, no, I want to make something from like scratch today. Does that not look good? It's my first time ever making matcha pancakes, but I feel like it's going well. I just put my upfront protein matcha powder that I normally make my matcha lattes with in the morning. I just put 2 scoops of that. When I was mixing everything, this little piece broke off. I want to try it. That's so good. Okay, perfect. Wait, I love that. Oh my gosh, that one literally looks perfect. Stop, is that one not perfect? But I feel like today is gonna be a good day. It's my day off of work, but I still do my social media job. But at least I can be at home today, get everything done, and I can stay in my pajamas for as long as I want. I just got out of the shower. I have been wanting to dermaplane my face. I'm not gonna wear any makeup the rest of the day, and dermaplane my face, do my hair care, do my skincare, and then we're gonna warm up some tea and we're gonna cozy up and watch a Halloween movie. I still can't believe that it's fall. It's literally almost November and I'm like, what? Do you know what I'm so excited for this year? And I've already started to like plan out Vlogmas. Halloween isn't even over yet and I'm already talking about Vlogmas, but you guys have got to subscribe if you aren't, because this year's Vlogmas is going to be so fun. I'm genuinely so excited, and my birthday is on Christmas, and this year is going to be my golden birthday because I was born on the 25th and I'm turning 25, so it's going to be my golden birthday this year. But I just think that it's so crazy that it's already the holidays, but it's my favorite time of the year. This is our first holidays in our apartment, so I'm genuinely so excited to be here for this holiday season. I've actually been wanting to dermaplane my face for quite a while now, but my skin was like breaking out, so I was trying to let my skin chill before I went after it with a scalpel. See that already right here? Face is dermaplaned. I'm gonna wash the oil off. I'm using the Rhode Pineapple Refresh face wash. I literally have a very simple two-step skincare routine. I just use the Belief Aqua Bomb under the eyes, and then I go in after that with Cetaphil. I just have this big bottle for it, and it's just the normal hydration lotion. I don't know, everything's in Dutch on it. And I had to ask the girl, is this the face one? Because I know that there's a body one, but I couldn't really tell the difference. But it says dermatologist tested, so I'm assuming that I've been using it for a while now. Oh my gosh, my skin feels so soft. Put a thick layer on so it stays nice and hydrated. That is done. I'm literally so happy that I did that. The kettle is going if you are hearing loud sounds, but I think I'm gonna do the green tea intense mint today. I already saw the new Conjuring, so I don't know if I want to watch a horror movie necessarily or just like a spooky season movie. And Keenan and I are watching Harry Potter right now because I've never watched Harry Potter. I think we're on fourth one. We're finishing the fourth one right now, and apparently the next one's a really good Halloween one. That'll be nice to watch during this season. I don't know, maybe I do want to watch a horror movie. Let me scroll a little and see. Another thing I've been loving so much lately is this L'Occitane hand lotion. I have it on my bedside table. It's the Citrus Road scent, but I literally look forward to putting it on every night. It's like my little nighttime routine. I have at my bedside table literally this and then the Paula's Choice lip peptide. I put both of them on before I go to bed, and that's like how I tuck myself into bed every night. The smell of this one is unreal. Every time I smell it, I just fall asleep instantly because I just know that it's bedtime. I have the L'Occitane, the lavender one in my purse, which is so nice. This one just smells so good. I can't. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, let's pick a movie. I'm browsing right now. This one has Jennifer Coolidge in it, but it's a comedy. Wait, Five Nights at Freddy's. I think I found a movie, but it's a horror movie, so I'm kind of scared. At least it's like still kind of light out. No, I already know with the Blumhouse I'm gonna be scared.